my channel. So today I am back with most interesting topic, rainbow. After the rain, when sun shine, everybody gets excited to see rainbow. But now you can make your own rainbow in 4 different ways. So let's get started. Number 1. Create real rainbow. Take spray gun and set on cone setting. Pick a sunny area and turn back towards the sun and spray water until you see a real rainbow. And we got our real rainbow. Number 2. Take the glass of water and plain paper. Take half glass of water and put in front of sun. Slowly raise the glass of water until you see a rainbow. Number 3. Take CD and torchlight, or you can also use mobile flashlight. First of all, switch off the light and put flashlight on CD until you see a wonderful indoor rainbow. Number 4. Take CD and little candle. Put candle on the center of CD and light up the candle. And you will see the magic in the rainbow. So guys, you can also make your own rainbow at home. Comment me how was your experience. Those who not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.